Hi, today I'm starting with Oppo A1 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to this sound and vibration. Here you'll see silent mode switcher. Just tap on it to activate silent mode or to turn it off. To activate vibration and ring on silent, you should also use the switchers. We could also move the don't disturb, activate or turn off the don't disturb mode to set the shadow and to allow call messages and notifications from many people or apps, and to use it to ring for repeated calls, and to silence also the media in don't disturb mode. Here we got the media, ringtone, notifications and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should swipe to the left or to the right side these dots. Yeah, we got here also ringtone and notification sound, where we could just change the notification or ringtone just by select one from these available sounds. In real sound technology, we could switch the real sound technology from smart to movie, game or music, to activate and turn off the system haptics, and to activate and turn off the L button, screen lock, unlock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds with the help of the switchers. Let's go back, and here we got more section. We could use our volume buttons to change the media or to change the ringtone volume, and to switch default device from auto select to the use peripheral device, and to activate or turn off the in-ear monitoring option. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.